could just smell, like the whole house smells like a cookie in a good way. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing something pretty special today. What a year it's been. And speaking of years, we're rewinding that clock back to 1938. What happened in 1938? A happy accident when Ruth Graves Wakefield chopped up a Nestle bar and put it into cookie batter thinking that it would melt and make a chocolate taste. And now we have the chocolate chip cookie. A lot better to make them in the house and eat them hot than it is to buy them pre-bought in the store. Super easy to do. We're looking at 15 to 20 minutes of bake time and an additional, let's say 10 to 15 minutes of getting your stuff together, mixed up and in the oven. So in under 30 minutes, you could have the best chocolate chip cookies of this year. I'm not telling you what year it is because you may have seen it this year, or next year, or the year after that, or who knows. But what I do know is that this will be one of the best chocolate chip cookies you've ever had. So let's go ahead, get these things together so we can get rolling with the cookies.
The first step to ooey, soft, sweet chocolate chip cookies is creaming your butter and sugar. Equal parts of light brown sugar and white sugar, 2/3 of a cup each, with 8 tablespoons of softened, unsalted butter. You will be able to find this entire recipe at our website, floureggsyeast.com, but following along, a little tip here is that I also add 1/2 of a cup of vegetable shortening. That helps with the softness of a cookie, as did the brown sugar. Brown sugar, a little known fact, is made with molasses, and if you want that soft cookie, those 2 ingredients is your surefire way to get one. In addition, we want to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, also keeping it room temperature, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, some almond extract, which I personally love adding a little bit of a dash, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. But if you don't want almonds or nuts in there, you don't need to. And then our secret ingredient is cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon. We feel like it adds a little bit of a balance to the flavor of sweetness. And then last but not least, you want to mix up 1 teaspoon of baking soda along with 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. And then last but not least, 2 full heaping cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can go crazy and add some nuts or some white chocolate. Anything that you would like to put into the cookie, now is the time before we get it onto the baking sheet. Put it in the oven at 375 degrees, which makes the little exterior part of the cookie a little bit crunchy and then that soft inside. Check your cookies after 10 minutes and then every 2 minutes or so, see if it's brown enough to your liking. Now let's do a taste test with Cam.
All right, guys, they're cool. Look at that. Look at what we have here. Chocolate chip cookie. Nice and gooey, soft. Just enough crunch, perfectly baked. I would, normally I would share these, but look at the chocolate chips in there. You could just smell, like the whole house smells like a cookie. In a good way. Oh, this is amazing. I would subscribe for these if you haven't already. Please like and comment below. What kind of cookies do you like? I'll eat them. Maybe we'll make them. Who knows? Oh, these are really outstanding. Just that apple cider vinegar, a little twist, really softens them up and gives it a nice balance. Not overly sweet, perfect to take with you anywhere you go, birthday parties, no reason at all, holidays. Man, I'm gonna shut this thing off. I gotta finish these. We'll see you next week. A happy accident when Ruth Graves Westfield. A happy accident when Ruth Graves Wakefield chopped up